Hi guys, I'm All Series Product Engineer. Today, mobile phones has become inseparable tools in our daily life. All is enough for seamless switching from outdoor sports to travel to work and life.
How long does it take to install and remove? Only 0.2 seconds.
How strong is it? It can only even lift the object with a weight of up to 25 kilograms. How it works, I'll show you. The magic is in the magnetic attraction. That's super easy. And is it firm? Oh, I'll show you it is. You bet it is. Look at this, baby. And is it hard to remove? It's pretty simple. Just turn it 45 degrees in any direction and voila. A simple and fashionable anti-foul mobile phone case for iPhone. If you're using some other models, don't worry. Just stick this patch on the back of your phone. All products make your life easier and more convenient. This is a sport band. When running or exercising outdoors, you simply tie it down, place the phone, and you're ready to go. The mobile phone can perfectly keep a record of your movement tracking data. Remember to carry your backpack holder on outdoor adventures so that your mobile phone can be fit here like this. It can help you to broadcast immersive first-person videos. This selfie stick can catch any angle you need for you to get the perfect picture. If you are a cycling enthusiast, the riding holder will help you. You don't need to worry about the bumps and any complicated road conditions. It will go with you to any place that you want firmly and safely. You don't need to worry about dropping your phone while driving your car, because we will help you reach your destination safely. All Series products can not only adapt to your sports and outdoor lifestyle, but also can bring you the same experience at home and work, all to bring you a wonderful lifestyle. Of course, when you're too busy with work, the 15 watts wireless fast charger of Desktop Whole Series can keep your mobile phone fully charged. After ending a busy day and going back to your home, you can unload the burden of work and enjoy a relaxing lifestyle. This is All Series.